Have you ever stopped to think about the simple yet essential device that announces visitors to your home? Today, we're diving into the basics of how a doorbell works. From unexpected guests to package deliveries, doorbells play a crucial role in modern life. Let's break down this everyday technology. Essentially, a doorbell is an audible signaling device typically placed near a door, allowing a visitor to alert the occupants inside the building. We'll start with the traditional wired doorbell, which generally consists of three main components working together to create the familiar sound. First, you have the button or switch, located outside. When pressed, this momentarily closes an electrical circuit, initiating the entire process. Next, there's the transformer, usually hidden away. Since most homes use 120 volts, the transformer safely reduces this voltage down to a much lower level, typically 10 to 24 volts, which is required to operate the chime unit. Finally, the chime unit itself is the device that produces the sound, mounted inside the home. The process begins when a visitor pushes the button. This action is the trigger for the entire chain of events. By pushing the button, the electrical circuit is instantly completed, allowing the low-voltage electricity stepped down by the transformer to flow. The electrical current then travels through the wires from the transformer and straight into the chime unit, ready to make noise. The magic of the sound happens inside the chime unit through a clever mechanical process. Inside the chime, the current activates an electromagnet, which quickly pulls a small metal rod, known as a plunger. This plunger mechanism then strikes metal tone bars, producing the distinct ding-dong sound you hear, which is then amplified within the unit. Now, let's briefly look at modern wireless and smart doorbells, which operate on a different principle, eliminating the need for complex wiring. Instead of electricity running through wires, a wireless doorbell button transmits a radio frequency signal to the indoor chime unit when pressed. Wireless units are typically battery-powered, and the chime unit, which has a receiver, interprets the RF signal and plays a sound. Whether wired or wireless, the fundamental purpose remains the same: to notify you of a visitor. It's a testament to simple technology providing an essential function in our daily lives. So, the next time you hear a doorbell, remember the simple electrical circuit and the electromagnet mechanism hard at work. Thanks for watching.